you. Come here. That's very nice. Bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Hey, buddy. Come here. Come here. Watch your head. Get them. Welcome back. Welcome. I sense danger. Incoming! Enemy team. Are you ready? That was fun. Great job. Took them out. Watch your head. Go for it. Keep it up. Yay! Weak. Awesome. Hang tight. Lovely. Damn. Damn. Ouch. Go for it. That's a hit. Brutal. No. Interesting. Bingo. Watch out. Break it. Ha 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 ha. Break it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Copy that. 5. Go for it. 5. Can you help me? 5. Go for it. Copy that. Bye-bye. Bye. How can I help? How may I serve you? Greetings. Greetings, friend. Can I help you? What do you want? How can I help? Welcome. Yay! Ooh!
No.
This is too hard. Damn. You don't look so good. You're welcome. See you later. This is great. This is too easy. Yeah. Thank you. Whoa. Oh! Ah! Oh!
Ah!
Ah! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Awesome. Brutal. Boom, baby. You asshole. You motherfucker. You'll regret that. Atomic. Come on.
Oh no! This is terrible.
Level up. Are you ready? Are you ready?
You-
Let's go. Shake me, shake me. Shake it, showtime. Showtime. Hurry up.
Hurry up,
Fast.
please.
Help me.
Can you help me? You lose.
Too late. Out of time.
Oh no.
Oh no!
Yay! Ooh!
Game over.
Ooh!
No, no, no.
This is...
No, no,
You
no.
don't look so...
Come on!
Oh.
Time.
This...
Oh! Cool!
Good job. Okay.
Cute! All right!
See you.
Bingo!
Bravo.
Great job!
Marvelous.
Brutal!
Yippee-yay.
This is great.
Amazing!
Awesome.
Perfect! Fantastic!
Wow.
Wow. Are you ready? Let's go. Bravo! Great job! Awesome! Perfect! Let's go!
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Put the weapon down! Put the weapon down! Get on the ground now! Get down on the ground now! Put your fucking hands up! Put your fucking hands up now! Back up!
Hands behind your back. Yes, you are going to jail. You are going to jail.
Stay right there! Put it down! Stop! Do not move! Go, go, go!
Step out.
Drop that gun, man! Drop the gun, man! It's not worth it! Bro, come on! You're surrounded, man! Just come on! Come on, man! You're surrounded! Drop the gun, bro! I'm hit! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Shots fired. Shots fired.
You fucking piece of shit. You smell like shit. I break your leg, moron.
You stinking asshole.
Are you kidding me? What is your problem? Fucking scumbag.
Fucking scum.
Fucking rat.
Fucking trash.
You are fucking looser, bro.
You are fucking looser, bro.
Fucking smartass.
Fucking motherfucker.
Fucking dirty pig.
Fuck off, man.
Ugly fuckface. I will fart on your head. Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Go ahead, do it. You will eat my shit. You fucking idiot. Your head will not survive. I rip your head off. Shut up, bitch. Chicken shit bastard.
Bitch ass shit. Fucking bitch. Fucking bastard. Go ahead, do it.
You will cry like a baby. Back the fuck off.
Back the fuck off.
I will smash you like a cockroach.
Fucking bitch ass. What the fuck you gonna do, huh? Fuck you, dude. You're a fucking loser, bro. You're a fucking idiot. Fuck. Shut up, bitch. Go ahead, do it. The police. You got the wrong one, buddy. Are you kidding me? What is your problem? You fucking piece of shit.
Bitch! You a bitch!
You will pay. Yeah, you think I don't see your face, scum? You don't think I don't see you? God is going to destroy you. I've been looking for you. And you think you've got me. I've got you. You got what you want. You're getting it now. Listen, you son of a bitch. Listen, fuckhead. I'm not a toilet bowl you sit on and shit on. You're trying to attack me. You think I'll take that? You're assaulting me, asshole. What the fuck's your problem? What the fuck? You fucking goddamn fucker. You fucking goddamn degenerate fucks. I'm fucking pissed right now. You piece of shit. This is total horseshit. God damn it. Oh, God damn it. God damn it. Fuck. God fucking damn it, man. What the fuck? Stop pushing your shit. Stop this shit. You have fucking crossed the line. And that cocksucker. I'm not here to eat your fucking shit. You fucking got that? This is BS, man.
23 word 10th and Graham with Toronto. Adam Young, 1955. Okay. 016, 1023 with the pursuit.
Units heading up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported southbound on Highway 99.
Suspect is wanted on multiple homicide and kidnapping charges. Suspect is a potential serial offender, likely to have a hostage victim inside. Suspect is believed to be mentally unstable.
Adam Young, 1955. Okay.
Abel looks like he's running southbound across Friars, going to be going into the canyon here. Okay, Denver, he stopped. Okay, Abel, make this a code 12. He's got a hostage. He's got a knife to a male's neck, south curb line of Friars, just east of Morena. Make this a code 12. Abel, unit behind, watch your crossfire. He's walking westbound through that parking lot.
Closing fast on a vehicle that matches the description. Yes, that's correct. Apparently a newer model station wagon. 3 male. Just clearing another call. I'm headed over there.
Abel, running southbound along Morena, out toward Friars.
The side of the road is no longer in the running southbound towards Friars.
And for the vehicle is no longer in the intersection.
Abel, give me the air. He's southbound. He just ran down that little dirt hill under the bridge there. He's still southbound under Friars, or at Friars.
I believe it was called on channel 1. 2 cars. Okay, we have 482 coming out there for the hit and run. You might wait for him. Will do.
Units heading up to the code 3 chase. Suspect was last reported southbound on Highway 99.
T5.
Abel, running southbound along Morena, out toward Friars.
The side of the road is no longer in the running southbound towards Friars.
And for the vehicle is no longer in the intersection.
I believe it was called on channel 1. 408. Yeah, that was 999 South Utica. We have 482 coming out there for the hit and run. You might wait for him. Will do.
7-9 Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to CP at 127th and Adelaide. Barricade situation.
Under the bridge there.
Okay. You wish to tell nobody's ordered one yet. 323 to 584. You wish to tell nobody's ordered one yet. Okay. 482. 482. Let us know if you'll be out on that.
SWAT is needed for high-risk arrest warrant service and possible hostage rescue at Bronx.
You wish to tell nobody's ordered one yet. 323 to 584. That's 110710. Yes, sir, and they have the car stopped at 10th and Grant. You might go by there first. 2 cars. You wish to tell nobody's ordered one yet. Okay, 203. 23 23, we're at 10th and Grant waiting for a telephone. Okay, we have 482 coming out there for the hit and run. You might wait for him. Will do. Yes, that's correct. Apparently a newer model station wagon, 3 male. All units go to condition 2. I'm gonna try to get in front of this guy and slow him down. I believe it was called on channel 1. 408. Yeah, that was 999 South Utica.
425 George, shots fired.
Shots fired on Friars again. Shots fired on Friars. 23, we're at 10th and Grant waiting for a telephone. Yes, sir, we're doing Southeast Coast Hops and Maryland on possible fight.
Abel, looks like he might have just stabbed the other male. Again, make this code 12. Abel, unit behind, watch your crossfire. He's walking westbound through that parking lot.
408.
Abel, give me the air. He's southbound. He just ran down that little dirt hill under the bridge there. He's still southbound under Friars, or at Friars.
482. Okay, 203.
All units, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3.
323 to 584. 23, we're at 10th and Grant waiting for a telephone. I believe it was called on channel 1. Okay. Your location again. You wish to tell nobody's ordered one yet? No, okay. Pilot into Atlantic, stand by!
Abel, they're in the shopping center at the Pita Pit. Looks like he might have just pulled out the knife. He's walking backwards away from the officers.
323 to 584. Adam Young, 1955. Okay.